Okay, time to get rid of these ugly ass tail lights. Already installed M Sport bumper with diffuser. Time to change up that too. Probably gonna debadge too, but we'll see. First things first, I'm gonna have to detach, pulling that and screwing all these. Then going into the terminal, negative terminal. So that way, you know, just to be safe, since we're gonna be working with electrical wiring, then start slowly, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so just slowly taking them out. Just want to show where I'm at. Make sure when you take these off, you kind of unscrew them, but you also kind of like pull them, because like they're these weird little, just show you. Yeah, so take all 8 of them. Well, screws in total from here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these 2, then these 2. Yeah, almost done. Let's go. Okay, this is how it looks when you take off one of these, which is the next step, taking off those screws. And yeah, just keep going. Just make sure when you pull these off, first you kind of just press these, and then you feel like a little snap. I have to use both hands right now. Give me a sec. Now that's done. Next step, like I said, good thing to remove the negative terminal, just in case, you know, because we're gonna be messing with these wires for a little bit. So yeah, make sure to do that. Just unscrew it, then move that aside. Then we'll get back to that later. Negative terminal is good. Just make sure to put that back there, and should be good to go. Took off the little drip lines. Unscrew these, and then you just pull it out. Okay, so far so good. Got most of them out. So let me explain this one. So this one, make sure that you push it up before you take it off, and you unscrew this little part right here. You need to unscrew that. You don't have to unscrew it all the way, just most of it. And then you're gonna have to push up and pull to your left. Or if you're on that side, to the right. But since I'm on the on the driver's side, passenger's already done. Well, just right here. Just want to show that. Here they are, the Blackline LCI tail lights. Gonna install them one by one, you know, just put them in, tab. Make sure when you put them in that you make sure it gets into a little loop. Then we're gonna screw them back in. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Got so just make sure each plug has like one that says 2016, 2013. You know, just make sure you plug and play. It depends which brand you get. I got VLAND. There's also Younds thing. I don't know. I'm not sure how to say it, but there's one for the tail light, one for the power, that stuff. Just make sure you use the right one. This is for the 2016 and up models. These are for the 2013 and 15 models. So yeah, same thing over here. Make sure you get the wiring. Now I'm just gonna put everything back. Yeah. Just give her a clean wash. Oof. Let's see if I can do that again. There you go.